everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Jessica and welcome to today's video. Today's video is not about this logo. No. It's all about how to style just one t-shirt in different ways. Yeah. So if you want to know how I make this look, just go watch the video out. I think the video is already, I've already uploaded the video, so I'm going to put the video somewhere here or here. So just go check it out after you finish watching this one. Go and check it out, or you can check it out then come back and watch this one, anyone you prefer. So please do me a huge favor and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are new here, and also turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. And like, share and comment down below, what do you think of the outfit and which one is your favorite? All right, so let's get started. I'm done with today's tutorial. So I hope you love the fashion a little bit. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share, and comment down below. Guys, do you know what I'm doing? I'm squatting like right now. Alright, I love you guys so much. Bye.